In this episode, we will explore the IoT use cases in agriculture and examine their benefits. So, if you are considering investing into smart farming, or are planning to build an IoT solution for agriculture. Number 1. What is smart agriculture? The definition and market size. There are many ways to refer to modern agriculture. For example, agri-tech refers to the application of technology in agriculture in general. Smart agriculture, on the other hand, is mostly used to denote the application of IoT solutions in agriculture. So what is smart agriculture using IoT? By using IoT sensors to collect environmental and machine metrics, farmers can make informed decisions, and improve just about every aspect of their work, from livestock to crop farming. For example, by using smart agriculture sensors to monitor the state of crops, farmers can define exactly how many pesticides and fertilizers they have to use to reach optimal efficiency. The same applies to the smart farming definition. Although smart agriculture IoT, as well as industrial IoT in general, aren't as popular as consumer connected devices. Yet the market is still very dynamic. The adoption of IoT solutions for agriculture is constantly growing. COVID-19 has had a positive impact on IoT in the agriculture market share. Disruptions in the supply chain, and the shortage of qualified workers, has propelled its CAGR to 9.9%. In fact, as per recent reports, the smart framing market share is set to reach $6.2 billion by 2021. At the same time, the global smart agriculture market size is expected to triple by 2025, reaching $15.3 billion compared to being slightly over $5 billion back in 2016. Because the market is still developing, there is still ample opportunity for businesses willing to join in. Building IoT products for agriculture within the coming years can set you apart as an early adopter, and help you pave the way to success. But why should you consider building an IoT application for agriculture in the first place? Number 2. The benefits of smart farming. How's IoT shaping agriculture? Technologies and IoT have the potential to transform agriculture in many aspects. Namely, there are 5 ways IoT can improve agriculture. First, data, tons of data, collected by smart agriculture sensors, e.g. weather conditions, soil quality, crops growth progress or cattle's health. This data can be used to track the state of your business in general as well as staff performance, equipment efficiency, etc. Second, better control over the internal processes and, as a result, lower production risks. The ability to foresee the output of your production allows you to plan for better product distribution. If you know exactly how much crops you are going to harvest, you can make sure your product won't lie around unsold. Third, cost management and waste reduction thanks to the increased control over the production. Being able to see any anomalies in the crop growth or livestock health, you will be able to mitigate the risks of losing your yield. Fourth, increased business efficiency through process automation. By using smart devices, you can automate multiple processes across your production cycle, e.g. irrigation, fertilizing, or pest control. 5. Enhanced product quality and volumes. Achieve better control over the production process and maintain higher standards of crop quality and growth capacity through automation. As a result, all of these factors can eventually lead to higher revenue. Number 3. IoT use cases in agriculture. Case 1. Monitoring of climate conditions. Climate plays a very critical role for farming. And having improper knowledge about climate heavily deteriorates the quantity and quality of the crop production. But IoT solutions enable you to know the real-time weather conditions. Sensors are placed inside and outside of the agriculture fields. They collect data from the environment which is used to choose the right crops which can grow and sustain in the particular climatic conditions. The whole IoT ecosystem is made up of sensors that can detect real-time weather conditions like humidity, rainfall, temperature, and more very accurately. There are numerous know-of sensors available to detect all these parameters and configure accordingly to suit your smart farming requirements. These sensors monitor the condition of the crops and the weather surrounding them. If any disturbing weather conditions are found, then an alert is sent. What gets eliminated is the need of the physical presence during disturbing climatic conditions, which eventually increases the productivity and help farmers to reap more agriculture benefits. Case 2. Precision farming. Precision agriculture/precision farming is one of the most famous applications of IoT in agriculture. It makes the farming practice more precise and controlled by realizing smart farming applications such as livestock monitoring, vehicle tracking, field observation, and inventory monitoring. The goal of precision farming is to analyze the data, generated via sensors, to react accordingly. Precision farming helps farmers to generate data with the help of sensors and analyze that information to take intelligent and quick decisions. There are numerous precision farming techniques like irrigation management, livestock management, vehicle tracking, and many more, which play a vital role in increasing the efficiency and effectiveness. With the help of precision farming, you can analyze soil conditions and other related parameters to increase the operational efficiency. Not only this, you can also detect the real-time working conditions of the connected devices to detect water and nutrient level. Case 3. Greenhouse automation. Typically, farmers use manual intervention to control the greenhouse environment. The use of IoT sensors enables them to get accurate real-time information on greenhouse conditions such as lighting, temperature, soil condition, and humidity. In addition to sourcing environmental data, weather stations can automatically adjust the conditions to match the given parameters. Specifically, greenhouse automation systems use a similar principle. For instance, FarmApp and GrowLink are also IoT agriculture products offering such capabilities among others. GreenIQ is also an interesting product that uses smart agriculture sensors. It is a smart sprinklers controller that allows you to manage your irrigation and lighting systems remotely. Case 4. Cattle monitoring and management. Just like crop monitoring, there are IoT agriculture sensors that can be attached to the animals on a farm to monitor their health and log performance. Livestock tracking and monitoring help collect data on stock health, well-being, and physical location. For example, such sensors can identify sick animals so that farmers can separate them from the herd and avoid contamination. Using drones for real-time cattle tracking also helps farmers reduce staffing expenses. This works similarly to IoT devices for pet care. Case 5. Data analytics. The conventional database system does not have enough storage for the data collected from the IoT sensors. Cloud-based data storage and an end-to-end IoT platform plays an important role in the smart agriculture system. These systems are estimated to play an important role such that better activities can be performed. In the IoT world, sensors are the primary source of collecting data on a large scale. The data is analyzed and transformed to meaningful information using analytics tools. The data analytics helps in the analysis of weather conditions, livestock conditions, and crop conditions. The data collected leverages the technological innovations and thus making better decisions. With the help of the IoT devices, you can know the real-time status of the crops by capturing the data from sensors. Using predictive analytics, you can get an insight to make better decisions related to harvesting. The trend analysis helps the farmers to know upcoming weather conditions and harvesting of crops. IoT in the agriculture industry has helped the farmers to maintain the quality of crops and fertility of the land, thus enhancing the product volume and quality. Case 6. Agricultural drones. Technological advancements has almost revolutionized the agricultural operations, and the introduction of agricultural drones is the trending disruption. The ground and aerial drones are used for assessment of crop health, crop monitoring, planting, crop spraying, and field analysis. With proper strategy and planning based on real-time data, drone technology has given a high rise and makeover to the agriculture industry. Drones with thermal or multispectral sensors identify the areas that require changes in irrigation. Once the crops start growing, sensors indicate their health and calculate their vegetation index. Eventually, smart drones have reduced the environmental impact. The results have been such that there has been a massive reduction and much lower chemical reaching the groundwater. All contents are referenced from internet sources. Thank for your listening.